A world where your mind, thoughts, memories, and very essence are preserved eternally in a digital realm. No more fearing the end. No more final goodbyes. Sounds like science fiction? Well, not anymore. Scientists, futurists, and visionaries are working tirelessly on something that could redefine the very meaning of existence, uploading consciousness. But the question remains, can we truly upload our consciousness and live forever? And if yes, what does that even mean for humanity? The science behind mind uploading first. Let's break down the concept. Consciousness uploading, also known as mind uploading or whole brain emulation, involves scanning and mapping the human brain to create a digital replica of a person's mind. This digital copy would theoretically think, feel, and act like the original person. Imagine it, your thoughts, memories, dreams, and emotions all encapsulated within an eternal digital consciousness. The brain, a complex network of around 86 billion neurons, forms our identity, memories, and personality. Scientists believe that if we can map each of these neurons and their connections accurately, we can replicate a person's mind on a computer. The process. How would it work? 1. Brain scanning. Advanced brain imaging technologies like MRI and two-photon microscopy could map the intricate neural connections, capturing every electrical impulse and synaptic interaction down to the last microsecond. 2. Neuron mapping. Analyzing how each neuron connects and communicates with others. Think of it as creating a digital map of your soul, a lattice of thoughts and memories, intertwined like a vast cosmic web. 3. Data encoding. Translating these connections into code, a monumental task requiring unimaginable processing power. It's like coding the very essence of consciousness itself. 4. Simulated environment, creating a digital space where this consciousness can operate. Whether it's a virtual utopia or a robotic avatar, your mind would inhabit an entirely new realm of existence. Sounds easy? Not at all. We're talking about processing exabytes of data, trillions of bytes of information per brain. Current technology is nowhere near achieving this level of complexity. However, advancements like AI-driven neural networks and quantum computing could potentially bridge the gap, paving the way for a future where mortality becomes a choice. Futuristic scenarios. A digital afterlife, virtual immortality. Living in the cloud, instead of rotting in a grave, your consciousness would exist on a vast network of servers. You could communicate with loved ones even after your physical demise. Picture attending your own funeral as a hologram, comforting your family with the knowledge that you still alive in a virtual realm. Your essence, stored safely on a cloud, could visit your descendants generations from now. Cyborg resurrection, robotic avatars. What if you could download your mind into an advanced robot? You'd never age, never fall ill, and could upgrade your body as technology advances. Your old, frail self would become a thing of the past. You'd be more than human, an immortal being, blending technology with consciousness. Interstellar exploration, digital pioneers in. This future, your digital consciousness could be transmitted to distant planets, exploring galaxies while your physical body remains on Earth. You could become a virtual astronaut, roaming worlds light years away. Your consciousness would become a pioneer, unbound by biological limitations. Real-life case studies. The first steps. Elon Musk, Neuralink. Elon Musk, company Neuralink, is already experimenting with brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. The ultimate goal? To merge human minds with AI. Initially aimed at medical applications like helping those with paralysis, the long-term vision is digital immortality. Imagine thinking at the speed of light, accessing knowledge from global databases with just a thought.
The Blue Brain Project, led by Henry Markram, the Blue Brain Project, aims to create a digital reconstruction of the human brain. The team has already simulated parts of a rat's brain, an enormous leap toward whole-brain emulation. If they succeed, human consciousness replication might just be the next step. The philosophical dilemma. Is it really you? Here's the mind-bender. If you upload your consciousness, is it still you, or just a copy?
Does your soul transfer, or does the digital entity merely think it's you? There's an age-old philosophical question that comes into play, the ship of Theseus. If you replace every plank of a ship over time, is it still the same ship? Similarly, if you recreate every neuron and memory in a digital form, is it still you? If the original body dies and the digital consciousness continues, is the digital self genuinely a continuation of your existence or just a replica? This question alone has driven scientists and philosophers into endless debates, questioning the very nature of identity and continuity. The paradox of immortality, a stagnant mind. Imagine a digital heaven where your consciousness lives forever, but the catch is, you can never evolve. Stuck in a timeless state, your mind lacks the dynamic growth that human experiences bring. The very thing that makes us human, change, is stripped away. In a way, immortality becomes a prison, a perpetual state of stagnation. What if the fear of death was essential to living fully? What if the digital soul could never grasp what it means to be truly alive? Would we become mere echoes of ourselves, preserved but hollow, like statues frozen in time? The endless horizon may not feel like freedom at all, but rather a cage where growth ceases to exist. Why we might never achieve it. Let's get real. Uploading consciousness sounds incredible, but there are monumental challenges. 1. Mapping complexity. Even the most advanced supercomputers struggle to process the intricacy of the human brain. Mapping a single brain might take decades or longer. 2. Ethical dilemmas. Who owns the digital version of you? Could it be hacked, manipulated, or deleted? Imagine your consciousness held hostage or sold to the highest bidder. 3. Philosophical limitations. Can consciousness truly be digitized? Or is it inherently tied to biological processes? Could a digital mind ever feel or dream the way we do? 4. The essence of life. Does eternal existence diminish the beauty of fleeting moments? Will life lose its magic if death is no longer a certainty? The ultimate question, is immortality worth it? Even if we achieve digital immortality, would it make life more meaningful or strip away its essence? The beauty of being human lies in our fleeting moments, our triumphs and failures, our struggles and joys. Maybe, just maybe, it's the uncertainty of life that makes it worth living. The fear of death propels us to love more intensely, to dream more wildly, to seize every moment with vigor. So, the real question is not if we can upload our consciousness, but whether we should. Are we ready to trade the transient beauty of life for an endless, unchanging digital existence? Think about it. Maybe immortality isn't the answer to life's questions. Maybe the answer lies in how we choose to live while we still have time.